this digital data to your direct message after this workshop is finished. So please use them for something that you need for your for the job hunting and something like that. This is it. And see you next year. See you next year. Yes, that's good.
Thank you.
Hi.
Thank you very much.
ありがとうございます。Thank you very much. So give everyone a big round of applause, and we would like to close this workshop. Thank you very much. We've done a very good job. Thank you.
祝各位台湾的同学开学快乐。
Hello, I have some suggestion. Maybe we could let the students to say some their feedback. Maybe they say,
right.
Yeah. Your turn.
Who is behind you?
Okay, you go first. Yeah.
Okay.
Because the INASAKA showing you a certificate, so I think you have to go first.
Right.
Thanks for everyone doing this workshop. For everyone's attending. And this workshop at the National Taipei University of Technology is conducted in our laboratory, and we are very curious about whether everyone have a good time during this time. And after the presentation, I think yes, everyone has a great and productivity weeks. And I wish it can be the greatest and memorable day, valuable day for you guys in this year. Thank you.
Me to participate in this workshop. I have not had a chance to communicate with Taiwanese people, so if I have a chance in the future, I would like to communicate with them and invite them to Japan if they ever come to Japan. Thank you very much.
硬いな。Thank you very much. Okay, so any student from Shanghai University?
Taiwan Technology and also CIT, INASAKA, and all the teammates and all the other students who joined this workshop. And I always see a lot of people working on the mural work so hard. Yeah, and I think it's a little bit pity too, because we work so hard, so we cannot have a chat with each other about like our culture or what our lifestyle. Maybe some of them be like, yeah, but very happy, and I think I really learned a lot and broadened my horizon. So thank you so much for everybody who participated in this workshop. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. ここに来て、ここに。はい。ガル。
I can't talk, but I talk. I really enjoy it. And I can't talk English at all, so Liang helped me help Japanese. So 33. So we success our team. Thank you for everyone. I love you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nina. Hello. I was feeling very fantastic and
invested times. I'm glad to lead this project with in my group with very kind people. So I wanna keep touching everyone after today. So I just wanna say thank you, everyone. Bye.
So she is a teaching assistant, one of the teaching assistants at the CIT. She has participated in the workshop that is held in Shanghai University in 2019. She went to the workshop there, so she's joining as a teaching assistant today. 何か感想?
You guys have the worked hard. ジャパニーズでいいですか？
ジャパニーズでいいですよ。
いや、すごく難しいね、テーマって皆さんやられてたと思うんですけど、本当にね、一人一人がちゃんと投げ出さずにね、そのテーマに向き合って、課題に取り組んでるのって本当に素晴らしいなと思いました。なんか、最初はちょっと台湾の人、日本の人で、こうね、やっぱりうまくコミュニケーション取れないって言ってたけど、だんだんその日が経つにつれ、なんていうのかな、こう仲良くね、楽しくなんかコミュニケーション取ってやってる姿がとても羨ましく思ったし、
This workshop can be held in Shanghai University, and welcome to Taiwan.
Yes,
Thank
I'd like
you.
to. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, so it's 4:30 in Japan and it's really cloudy outside in the near future. And thank you very much to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye.